Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To open a demo account on MetaTrader 5, firstly go ahead and open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader 5 application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on plus icon at the top right corner of the page. Enter your broker's name, find your broker and tap on it. On the next page, click on Open a Demo Account option. Now enter your first and second name, your phone number, your email address, choose your account type, leverage, deposit and tap on Register. This is how you can open a demo account on MetaTrader 5 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.